On the eve of the voting time, we were in some hotel in Muhanga called Concord, and we were trying to assemble the agent letters ready for dispatch. So while we were in the room with my children and the driver and some other political assistants, armed men, well dressed, covered their faces, bumped into our room, put us on gunpoint, told the children to kneel in the room, put me aside, carried all that we had to the drone. I didn't know where the children were left. I didn't know where they were taken back. I didn't know what happened. I was just taken alone in that vehicle to an unknown place. But what I know is that it was long, because we left here in the night, and by the time we reached there, it was in the morning. We were put in a room. I found there some other lady, and who was telling me that that's her 80th day, meaning that people are kept in there for days. So I didn't know the place. I can't say I know where it is, but the people around were speaking Luganda. You would hear those megaphones, adverts and whatever, and speaking Luganda. So I believe I was in Uganda, but I don't know the place.
Court has been able to agree with us, and they granted bail to her, even though it was a cash bail of 1 million, but we appreciate that at least her life is better than the money.
Whoever is charging me knows that this is a trumped up case. Now, in addition to the government taking my little and money that was meant to facilitate my agent, it's again causing me much more loss by making me pay for bail for a case they are well aware that I have never committed. So I feel very unfairly treated.
I call it temporary freedom. We are in a country where we are all not free. And for me, basically, that's what I can say. The struggle has just started. Many people have died. Others are in incarceration. When we left the safe house, there were many other Ugandans who were still incarcerated from there.
Instead of pushing all of us to the various prisons and safe houses, the ideal would be to do better service delivery, because that is our main cry. That is our message.